Traditional cultures didn't need a pill for every ill. As we look at those traditional cultures still today, where they've held to their traditional values of how they cook and how they eat, those people groups live into their 90s without having cognitive decline and all the health issues that so many of us are seeing today. So much to cover today. Let's go. First thing we're going to talk about is fermented foods. Pretty much every traditional culture around the world used fermented foods. Not only was it their way of preserving foods, but it was also a great way to get them live with the good bacteria that feed our microbiome. Lucky for us, our local grocery stores and health markets are loaded with great options. Different kinds of fermented foods will feed different strains of good bacteria in the gut, so be sure to switch it up. Second thing is soups and stews. So nourishing and healing for the gut. My favorites, bone broth and khichdi. Khichdi is an Ayurvedic medicine healing staple food that has been around for thousands of years. Third thing is sprouting and sourdough. Traditional cultures soaked, sprouted, and sourdough'd their grains, nuts, and seeds. Those processes help to break down the phytates, the lectins, the oxalates, the things that are hard to digest in those foods. Again, lucky for us, we can find many of these products in our grocery stores. Fourth thing is focus on nutrient-dense food. Lentils, which have 90% of your RDA for folate. Wild-caught salmon, pasture-raised eggs. These two things have tons of stuff that we tend to be deficient in. And of course, lots of vegetables, nuts, and seeds, which are loaded with magnesium and tons of other minerals. Fifth thing is simple Ayurvedic medicine concepts that have been around for more than 2,000 years. Ayurveda, the traditional medicine of India, has so much ancient wisdom. Simple tips like hydrate your body really, really well first thing in the morning. Get your digestive tract ready for the day. Avoid water with meals because that dilutes your digestive enzymes. And watch my proper food combining videos.